this beautiful evening is especially to this because this is the first time that going outside of the Philippines. Okay? This is the first time. Okay? I'm so thankful to our founder, Sir Ross, and I'm the advisor, Executive Director, Ma'am Will Manieva, and then the CEO, Sir Harvinder Singh, and Mr. Assistant Director, Sir Pascal Matsugi. I'm very, very thankful from my start here in 2023. I'm a part-time. Okay, I'm a part-time. But now, I'm so proud to be thankful to Team Philippines, Mr. Sai, Ma'am Carol, Sir Eric, Sir Michael, Sir Alfred, thank you to you. I'm so excited to see other people doing like this. Okay? I'm very thankful, okay, to all of you that you continues this kind of business to helping people, to motivate us, all leaders. Thankful to God that give me a chance to be part of your family also. Okay? God bless to all, and thankful to come many happy families to come to your help, to your advice, and many sales to come to your family. God bless all. Thank you. Thank you.